So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the list price filters here on Redfin. So once Redfin's opened up for this demonstration, how about I go ahead and just type in the city of Chicago. I'll go ahead and press on go. Now, once you're here, if you want to edit, I guess, the list price filters, it's pretty straightforward. What I want you guys to do is go to where it says price right here and then where it says list price. Now under list price you can go ahead and kind of select your range. So for example, if you're looking for a house in between the budget of, let's just say, 300,000 and let's say your budget's 800,000, whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and press on done. And all of a sudden, just like that, you have your listing here. So I'm going to go ahead here and just show a map view of it just like that. But as I mentioned before, I'll just go to the price filters right here, list price filters. You can set your minimum, set your maximum. And if all looks good, go ahead and press on done, and voila. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit list price filters on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.